Oh, g'day. Today we're going to give you a quick lesson on the fastest way to port a chainsaw. Richie's going to, from Rutherford Saws, is going to demonstrate. So first of all, you have to start with a nice open area, you know, so that we can see what the internals are going to look like. Gauging on it, you know, you really want to get a 12 gauge port on that, so it's pretty simple really. You just sort of pointed it like that. Nice miss. It's got a beat cam 038 now.